Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your name in Gardenscapes game. To change your name in Gardenscapes is super easy. First of all, launch open the Gardenscapes application on your device and on the main home screen, tap the gear button at the top right corner. Now this will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on change name. Now click on your profile from the menu. Go ahead and type down a new name for yourself inside the name tab and then click on OK. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your name on Gardenscapes profile. You can also change your pet's name. If you want to know how you can do that, keep watching the video for more tutorials from Gardenscapes. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.